Yes, this is the program of the palindrome. So here I'm accepting the string by using the scanner. So first line import java.util. Then after that, public static void main scanner object, one word is accepted. Nothing new in this. Actually, palindrome means what? If we will do reverse of the string, then the reversing string and the entered string both are same. Like the madam, like Malayalam. Okay. So these are the palindrome string. So here I have accepted the string and the one extra variable I have declared string s1 null. See this null. Length L, length I have calculated, and this is the code to reverse the string. From 0 to less than length, I'm executing the loop. Why I'm executing from 0? Because the index position start with the 0. So 0 to length, less than length. Okay. Then each character will be fetched in this charAt by using this charAt method. When I will be 0, then 0 position character will be fetched in the ch and concatenate by the s1, and s1 we have declared already as the null. Okay, so now at the end of the loop you will get the reverse string in s1. You can change the name of this variable also, so that you will understand it's a reverse. Okay, so this is the reverse string. Means after ending that loop, you will get the reverse of the string in this rev variable. Now, if you want to display that reverse, then you can display, but according to our question, what we have to do, we have to check that is this string is equal to the inputted string. Now string is input in s and reverse is the variable which having the reversing string. So here we will form if reverse equal s. Is this statement correct? No, because rev reverse is the string and s is also the string, and we cannot compare the string by using the relational operator. Okay, so what we have to use? Dot equals. Yes, you can write s dot equals reverse, or you can write reverse dot equals s. Both are same, because equals is the method of the string is going to return true or false. Means return type is boolean if the both the strings are same, otherwise it will return false. Okay, if this condition will be true, then here directly we can write system dot out dot println string is palindrome. Palindrome. Otherwise, not palindrome. Else, not palindrome. ठीक, method close, class close. Right? And here, let me compile. Execute. Void main. MADAM, madam. Palindrome. Okay. Now, if here I'm giving any other string like JYOTI, reverse and not palindrome. Okay. Now, see one thing only. One simple change I'm doing over here, and you have to keep remember this. Here I'm giving the space. See that string reverse space. Okay. when I will join this letter, this CH with the reverse, then space will be added in the reverse. Now see, just the simple one change I made in the program. If I'm writing MADM, madam, not palindrome, see that. What is the output? Not palindrome. Madam is not palindrome. Why it is not palindrome now? See that. Again, everyone pay attention, because here I have given one space in this temporary variable, in this reverse string. Now see what's happened when I will fetch the character, then character will be fetched with the reverse will be concatenated. Now the concatenation with the space means in my string, now one letter and the space. Then the next letter will be fetched, then the two letters with the space. Space will be there, means at the last when I will get the reverse string, that reverse string will be added with the space. Then when I will check them, so one space is more than the reverse string, that's why it will give you not palindrome. If sometime it's happen in your practical that you are getting the program output is wrong, okay, then check this variable that by mistake you have put the space over here, not the null. So you have to put this reverse as the null.